Oganda jo Kenya kaka jogo ombulu, josiasa bende nenore ka medo jiwo oganda ahinya to rowere mondo ndikre kendo okaw opande. E kar chung'od bura ma Mathioya, jogo machano chunga e kombe mopogore opogore e yiero mahiga 2027 osebedo ka bago romo mar tiego kendo puonjo jodak e wi ber mar bedo gi opande kod ndikruok kaka jogo ombulu ka gigeto jogo ombulu manyien maderoma 7,000. Gimedo jiwo rowere bende owuog oko mar ndikore ni mane achiel kuom yore maginyalo kelo godo lokruok.
Tukiwauliza na tukiwaomba majenzi ama wanarika wote tuitikie kuchukua kura kwa sababu tunajua kura yako maisha mzuri. Sisi tunasema kura yako maisha mzuri sababu it's only the electoral process that we can be able to get credible leaders. It's only through the electoral process tuweza kuwa tunaweza sisi wenyewe tunaweza simama viti kadha wa kadha na tuweze kuchaguliwa.
Our target is 2 million. So na encourage vijana wote pale nyumbani, kama uko kadi tafadhali uchukue kadi yako, kwa sababu nimeona namba zimeanza kuongezeka pale. IBC walituonyesha kwamba last week tulikuwa 300,000. It is encouraging, lakini tuendelee kutokea kwa sababu exercise itaisha tarehe 28 this month.
I'll also encourage and request IEBC to increase the KIMS kits so that our people don't travel very far to come and register as voters. There are so many IDs in our Huduma centers, and we are requesting our administrators, chiefs and assistant chief to help our young people access these cards. Let them make announcement in churches. Let them go where these people frequent. And we also encourage our young people to show up and collect these cards.
Oganda buora oyuoro e chenro mar thieth maonge chudo mobagi kod Laktar Joseph Oluoch